Now when the farmer is growing crops, so he has to practice many agricultural practices. So I have list those agricultural practices in the order like how he has to do, or you can say arrange things. So first is the preparation of land. He need to prepare land, that means the land is being prepared so that it should have a fine soil and the soil rich in nutrients so that it can support plant. So second is then selecting, we select seeds because not all the seeds are just fit for the you can say sowing. So we need to select good seeds and then we need to sow them, and in sowing also we need to focus on many steps. Third, we do an effort to improve soil fertility, that is the use of manures and fertilizers. Then we water the plants, that is irrigation. Then weeding, unwanted plants removal, and then the protection from pest. We add certain kind of pesticides and all to remove the pest so that the disease is not caused in the crops. And then after that we just harvest it, we cut it, and just we take a, you can say, a few measures in order to store it. So these are the agriculture practices. So we will be starting one by one that what we need to do in these agriculture practices. So the first agriculture practice is the preparation of land. How you prepare land now? The first thing what we do is the plowing. So what is plowing? It is loosening and turning up the soil. As you have seen that the farmers and all, they use a wooden plow and they just try to, they're just digging the soil. So what they're doing actually, they are loosening and turning the soil. They're loosening and turning the soil. So now what is the advantage of plowing? And the plowing is done by use of wooden plow, but nowadays it has been replaced by cultivators which are driven by tractors or tillers. So what is the advantage actually, why we do plowing? Because when we plow, so it enables the root to penetrate more deeper. Root can penetrate much deeper. And because it just make the soil, it just loosen the soil, so that means it enables the root to breathe properly. And like if there is any weeds and all, so when we use a wooden plow and we just try to dig the soil more and more, so it just remove those weeds also. So first the plowing is done. After plowing, it is followed by leveling. Leveling is by use of leveler. What we do with the leveler, we just, you must have seen a leveler like this, it is something like this. So what we are doing with leveler, we are just pressing it like this, so, and it is just trying to break the big clumps of soil into the finer soil particles. So this is what is a plowing and leveling. And when you do plow and when you plow or level the soil, so you are just preparing the land, and once you are finished with plowing and leveling, so that means soil is now ready to sow, or you can say the soil is just ready and we can just sow the seeds into it. So the first step is plowing and leveling, that is preparation of land. Second is the sowing. So now we are going to start with the second step, that is the sowing and selecting and sowing of the seeds.